What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. It's a nice day today. We're gonna be heading out. We're actually gonna do something today. We're gonna take the bus out for a drive. It's our buddy Marc's birthday today, so we're all gonna meet up at a gas station and cruise by his house and honk and wave and, you know, hang out in our cars responsibly. So I'm gonna drive over there. It takes a little bit to get over there, so I'm gonna leave a little early and take the long way. And it should be nice to see everybody from a distance, at least. And we'll have a little fun. Got to be responsible. Got to cover up. Look straight. There we go. Got to wear your mask when you go outside. All right, let's go. We made it to the gas station and we found Matt Jackson.
Nobody told
and
me.
Alice.
Hello!
Ain't that me?
Oh, that's cute.
Matt Jackson.
How's it going?
Solid. His street, and we're going to be driving by his house in just a second, so hopefully he's outside. He gets to see the spectacle. Let's see. What's up, old timer?
Oh man, it's getting old, man. Sucks.
You crying behind that bandana?
Yeah, you can't tell.
All right, Charlie, give him the keys. It's your birthday present. I'm giving you Charlie's convertible. Happy birthday.
So I was the one who technically arranged this. I texted Gary a couple weeks ago, and I know since he couldn't do it like an actual party for my dad, I figured we could have a bunch of buddies drive by, and so that's what we arranged, and it turned out pretty good. So I'm happy.
I think we had 14 cars or something.
14 cars, yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Should have parked yours on the street. It would have looked like more.
Yeah, you could get them all running on the street.
Well, good job. I think the old man was happy.
Yeah, definitely. It's a good thing to do.
Hey, say that thing I say at the end of my videos.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow the socials. I'm pretty sure you have links to them. And thanks for watching.
There it is.
Hey, I want to say thanks to all you guys that cruised by on my birthday and bringing all the V-dubs over. That was really special. I had no idea this was going to happen, and it was truly an awesome event. Y'all were able to pull together, and thanks to my son Axel for all the effort he put in to contact you guys. I didn't know it was going to happen. All right, peace out, y'all.